Hi, I'm Sony artisan Patrick Murphy-Racey, and I'm excited to tell you about my upcoming workshops in the month of March. First, my good friend Greg Gibson and I are going to be doing a brand new workshop series. This will be the first of a series of them called Unleash Your Alpha. It'll be a 2-day workshop. This first one's going to be held in Washington, D.C. And the day one is going to be all spent on sort of unlocking the menu items of the Sony cameras, especially the A7R4 and the A9 II. Sony bodies are so full of technology. If you're like me, I feel like I only use a portion of what's available to me as a photographer and a videographer. And so on the 23rd, Greg and I are going to team teach all day on the capabilities of the camera. Greg's got a big brain and he's a great shooter, and we're going to try to figure out how to make life easier through the technology that Sony gives us. But there's so much of it, which part of it do you use? So that's what Unleash Your Alpha is going to be about. Day two of that workshop in DC is going to be me kind of presenting video specifically to experienced still photographers that don't do video yet and should, or know they should. So it's kind of like don't fear the red button kind of a thing. So that's 2 days, March 23rd and 24th. That's a Monday and a Tuesday, so it doesn't affect your weddings or whatever you're doing that weekend. And I'll have the Eventbrite information in the comments section of the video. The second thing I'm doing is on March 21st, which is right before that weekend prior to the Unleash Your Alpha. I'm going to be doing the first of, again, a series of workshops. I did this once already in Houston, and it was very good success. I'm very happy with how things came out. The people that came were really excited. This workshop is not Sony specific. You can be shooting anything, any camera to participate. But this one's going to be specifically on lighting beyond the Speedlite. So, you can use a Speedlite for so long and for certain things, but after a while, as your sort of client base grows, you can't really get away with a pea shooter flash anymore. And I'm pretty excited about the new Westcott FJ400, which is a 400 watt second self-contained battery powered strobe that's just been on the market for a few months. And so we're going to use that strobe in the workshop. We're going to get to know that piece of equipment. It's a very advanced strobe. It can do TTL, it can do HSS. But I work mostly in manual, and I'll be explaining how I work and how I made some of the pictures that you're seeing right now. Lighting is everything. Lots of people have a dream of being able to make their living solely from photography, but it's really only those people that learn how to harness lighting that can accomplish that goal and that dream. And so this is kind of an entry-level workshop that will kind of take you from the Speedlite. I'm assuming you already know about a Speedlite. You're already using that. Maybe you're using an 8200 or something like that, the Godox. This is going to go into multiple lights using, 3 or 4 heads on one shot. We're going to talk about grid spots and using Fresnel's, large light modifiers that are 91 inches round, and then smaller pan lights that are very close to the face. So I'm going to be showing a number of magazine covers that I've shot through the years, some other really kind of nicely lit portraits, and I'll kind of explain how they were done, things like that. So if you're kind of ready for the next level, and maybe your pricing, you can't get beyond a certain price in your market to charge people for senior pictures, for instance, this workshop is ideally suited for you because it's going to help you get to that next level where you're going to all of a sudden be able to show pictures that your competitors don't, because they don't have the skills or the gear to accomplish some of these shots. So anyway, Unleash Your Alpha, March 23rd and 24th in Washington, D.C., and then in Nashville at Dury's Photo, I'll be on the 21st of March, all day long. Lunch will be provided at both workshops, so you can look forward to that. But all the information there is going to be in the information section down below. So thanks for watching. And just a really quick in Sony news, Sony launched a brand new lens today. We got the super wide 20mm 1.8G lens, which is exciting. I love that now they've got all the zooms taken care of. Now they're kind of filling in the really nice fast glass that a lot of us love to shoot primes, and it's great. So that's it, all I've got for you today, but please think about signing up for some of these workshops, and love to meet you in Nashville and Washington, D.C. Thank you very much for watching.